Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. So now I don't have a 5-year-old in my house. My 5-year-old, my younger one, has turned 6-year-old, and so now it's a busy book for my 6-year-old. But she has just turned 6-year-old. She still doesn't love not academics, no English, no maths, but still we are doing fun, easy books, going very slow at her pace, and making a busy book for my younger one here, who had just turned 6-year-old. Here we are talking about money matters, introducing fractions and some patterns. Why money matters is because she loves money. In my last busy books also, I have talked about playing games with money, with the real money she has, like all the cents and dollars she has in her piggy bank. So that's why we are doing more with money, doing addition subtraction with money, because she really want to learn these things and really feels happy when her piggy bank money comes out. So let's start with the activities. First one is money counting. So if I have 50 and 50 cents, how much money it is? She has to count it is 100 cents. Now, how many 10 cents would you need to make 100 cents? So now she has to mark like how much coin does she need? She has to mark them. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So she has to mark the 10 cents coins, and this will be hard for her because we tried this game while we were just sitting in a restaurant, and we just like fun playing, and then we realized she couldn't do it. So that's why the same activity we did orally we are doing here with the money, with like unwritten ways and with actual money. We're sitting in a restaurant, we didn't have so many 10 and 20 cents coins. So that's what I'm going to do, this activity with the real money, showing that if you have 100 cents, how many 20 cents would be need to make 100 cents, and again 100 cents. But if you want to make if you have only 3 20 cents, how many more 10 cents you need to add to make 100 cents? So again, these all are very new topics to her, just because she knows addition, subtraction and loves money. That's why doing these kind of activities. Now it was a harder activity, so we'll move to a simpler one, which is the patterns. So it's very simple patterns here, 1 2 1 2, like that. Very simple patterns there are. So just doing with colors, so that just making happy and not to stress her out, or keeping the mood alive. Again, it's a money one. So this is a little easier one because we have done that money thing earlier also. So now if my heart toy is of 30 cents and I have many coins of 25 and 10 cents, how can I make 30 cents? So you can make 10 10 10 30 cents, or 20 and 10 30 cents, like that. So this I have not made circles here, or identified how much money or how many coins she needs. I just want her to calculate into addition, and think herself that how can you make 30 cents with the money. So maybe if she has a these coins in real in physical form, she can do using them, or let's see if she can do verbally, like that. Again, a easier one, divide in half. So again, she doesn't know fractions obviously, but she knows dividing in half, like divide, because I have two daughters, so we are all everything dividing in half. Okay, cut a banana in half, or cut a guava in half, like that. So now she knows that what is half. You divide into two parts. So now, but earlier it's like one thing divided into two parts, or like four candies divided into two parts. Now I'm giving her big numbers like 6, 8, it's 14, and it's 4. So can she do it in half? How does she do in a half? And then I'll tell her that how do I do, like I give one to her, one to her, one to her, and like that I do half, like those kind of concepts. So just talking about what is half, and we write one of two parts, like that. I'll see what she picks up, but just doing visually what has happened is more than one thing. Which this is a spatial reasoning, very simple one, but it's a different concept, so I wanted to try with her. So there I have a diamond, and I have color coded all the four triangles, and in each of the triangle we have a rectangle with the alphabet. So like red denotes A, blue denotes C, green denotes blue, uh, B, and golden denotes D. Now I have jumbled up the position of the color code. Now red is down, golden is up, blue and green are swapped. No, blue has come down and green has gone corner. So now if this is my code, what alphabet will come here? So basically now, if red is here, for red we have A, so A should come in this box, blue should get C, golden should get D, and green should get B. So it is a little confusing spatial reasoning, but I just thought let me try. If she likes it, I can do advanced version of it. So that's the intention here. So these all are the activities I have for my newly turned 6-year-old, and hope you enjoy them. Bye bye.